Question 12. It's cumulative frequency and it's 6 marks question. It's 2 pages. Let's try to do it. You can always pause and try the question yourself. So the first part of the question says complete the cumulative frequency table. Now, how do you complete the cumulative frequency? You see the frequency? The first one, just write it down. So the 12, we just copy it. And then we do 12 plus 15. That gives you 27. And then go back. 27 plus 20, 47. And the next one is 47 plus 18, 65. And then 65 plus 9 is 74. And finally, 74 plus 6, it's 80. This is 1 mark, and make sure the last number you got is equal to the total number of people given. It's 80 up there and it's 80 here. That's correct. Question B. On the grid below, draw a cumulative frequency graph from the table. Now, the first part here, 10 to 20 is 12. So let's go down here. 10 to 20 is 12. So this is 10, this is 11, and that's 12. So just make a point on 12. We don't start on the 10. Some students just write the 12 up here. No. You go to the upper class. You get me? So this is 10 to 20. We represent the 12 on this part here. On 20, you represent 12. On the second one, on 30, we represent 27. So let's do it. 30, 27. So this is 30 here. Where is 27? Now, this line is 25, 26, 27 is here. Next one is 40 and 47. 40, 47. So on the cumulative frequency is 47 and here is 40. So this is 40 and 40. Now this is 40 and 47. That's very good. Next one is 50 and 65. This is 50. This is 50 and 60. This is 65 exactly here. We don't need this line. Next, 60 and 74. 60 is here. This is 60 and this is 70. So where is 74? This is 75, so this is 74, just below it, right? And then last one, finally, it's usually on the corner. It's 70 and 80, so that's correct. 70 and 80, that's 80 and that's 70. That's good. Now, how do we make the line? That's the question. You start on the first number here, 10. So from 10, you go like this, hand written. Try to make it on your hand. This is a very strange line. Let's just try to make it better. It's very difficult to do it on the tablet. I'm trying my best. So this is the line. Perfect. Now let's look at the next question. This is 2 marks. Now the last question says, use the graph to find an estimate for percentage of the 80 people who are more than 64 years of age. Years of age is this. So let's look at, oh, it's 46, sorry. Let's look at where is 46. Now this is 40 and that's 50. In the middle there is 45, so 46 is the line next to it. This is 46. Let's now try to go up on this line. This is 46 until we cross the line we made earlier. This 46, yeah, that's perfect. From this point, you go there until you get to this point. That's good. Now, let's count how many are there. This is 58, 59, right? So this is the portion we want. This is more than 46. So from 60 to 80 is 20, so it's 21, right? So the probability, since they ask, is going to be the number, which is 21 divided by 80. Plug that in your calculator and it should give you the percent. 21 divided by 80, and that's equals to, let me just write it in the calculator. This gave me on the calculator 26.25%. 26.25%, and that's correct. Now, one important thing here is try to make a nice line and try to do it like as much accurate as you can, because they give ranges. For example, here they tell you, which question was this? This was question, just getting old. This is question 12, right? Question 12. This is the ranges. They say accept anything from 26 to 29. The perfect answer is 28. So we got the range, but we didn't get the perfect answer because I'm drawing on a tablet. In your paper, try to make it as nice as you can. So that's it for this question. We got the full mark. Now let's look at this question here. This is interquartile range.